Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 3547 Charlack. They did a repair back out here, over there by that garage with the concrete over there. They did a repair on this and it keeps backing up again. And it's backed up a few times. I came out here and it was backed up and I ended up augering it out with my 4-inch cutter here. And ended up getting a bunch of tampons. I got it open and there's a bunch of heavy tissue buildup and tampons in there. But we're going to inspect this line, make sure everything's good in there, and we'll be right back. Alright, so we got our camera pushed out here. This is where it's turning and dumping in MSD's line. We're right here by MSD's line. See, it's all open. Got another turn here. There's a couple good little turns here. As you see, it looks pretty straight. Turn and a dive. We got another dive right here. Alright, here's where they did the repair. As you see, it looks pretty straight. See, this all looks pretty straight. Here we are at the trap. Like I said, when I showed up, this trap was full of tissue and stuff, and I ended up cabling it out, and ended up getting a bunch of tampons and heavy tissue buildup out of there. I'm probably gonna recommend the tampons if you stayed out of there. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll be right back. All right, so we got our camera pushed towards the house here. Here we are at the bottom of the stack. You see the roof vent there. We're at the bottom of the stack underneath the house in the 4-inch cast iron. Go ahead and pull it back, show you what it looks like. Got a line winding right there. So we're flushing the toilet now. So hold on one second. So here we are, I'm close to the transition here. Here we are at the transition. This is where it comes 4-inch cast and a 6-inch clay. A lot of buildup in here, but it is open. You got a dive right here. It's diving down. Going back up, it's 90 and down, 90 and back over. See right here, it's diving down. Diving back over again. Alright, right here, there's a dive in the line. And I don't know if that's another line cutting in there or if it's just a hole. I believe that's going to be a hole. I'm going to run some more. I'm going to check something. I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and located and marked where this spot is. It's right there in the back porch next to the foundation. 6 feet deep. Definitely looks like some kind of hole or something going on there. But the sewer does run. Looks like cable might have came up and augured out of the pipe at one time. Definitely, like I said, I located and marked that spot. It's 6 feet deep. So we're gonna keep pulling back a little more. Here we are at the transition, so I'm going to go ahead and locate where this is. I'll be right back. Alright, so I've located and marked this spot where it's this hole is, and then where the transition stops when it's coming into clay pipe back here. I've marked a couple spots out there on the back porch next to the house. It's 6 feet deep. I would recommend a repair there. Imagine one time that's going to give them some problems at some time. And here we are at the trap. So, yep. Like I said, I located, marked that spot. Everything outside looks good. I recommend that they told the tenant not to flush any more tampons. So that's what you got. Alrighty, thank you.